ma'am. My name is Daniela Ornan from Section 2B. Today, I will going to perform the oral medication administration. So, the procedures are first, place the prepared medication and MAR together on the medication cart. The second is recheck the label on the container before returning the bottle, box, or envelope to its storage place. The third is avoid leaving prepared medications unattended. The fourth is lock the medication card before entering the client's room. Number 5, check the room number against the MAR if agency policy does not allow the MAR to be removed from the medication cart. Number 6, provide for client privacy. And number 7 is prepare the client. Sir, my name is Daniel Arnan, your student nurse for today as procedure. And today po sir is we will perform the oral medication administration. Is verify the client's identity. So, sir, what is your name po? So, assuming na lang po na siya po si Sir Raul and siya po ay 45 years old. Kung ngayon po sir is iinom ka po ng gamot. Yung gamot ko is paracetamol and the purpose of that po is to relieve the pain na nararamdaman mo po. And assuming na napainom ko na po si sir ng gamot. So, next is if the older child or adult has difficulty swallowing, ask the client to place the medication on the back of the tongue before taking the water. And if the client says that the medication you are about to give is different from what the client has been receiving, do not give medication without first checking the original order. So next is document each medication given. Record the medication given, dosage, time, and complaints or assessment of the client, and your signature. So dispose all of the supplies appropriately. Discard disposable supplies. And yun lang po sir. Thank you.